I am going to make the world's smallest fireworks show with nothing more than some fuse, some zip ties, a box cutter, some hot glue, and this giant board that I bought at Menards for like $5. I'm gonna be using the Happy by Dominator Fireworks. It's a 6-shot, 50-gram firework cake, times 5. 2 of the purple Mighty Minis, 2 of the yellow ones, 2 of the blue ones, 2 of the green, 2 of the orange ones, and 2 of the red ones. 4 of these Terrible Nights by Dominator Fireworks. All of the firework cakes that are shaped like this are 7 shots in total. 2 of these 9-shot Snafu cakes by Dominator Fireworks. I'm not sure if I said that right. 1 of these Silver Cyclone 16-shot cakes by Dominator Fireworks. Whistling Kitty Chaser from the Joe Dirt movie. 2 of these 50-shot ammo box by Machine Made Fireworks brand. What's cool about this one is that it's made entirely out of plastic. I have 2 of the Mega Mini 96-shot 200-gram cakes by Dominator, 2 of these 83-shot Rippers by Pyropact brand, 2 of the 16-shot cakes by Maddox Fireworks brand called Foxy, who is definitely the most terrifying character in Five Nights at Freddy's. And lastly, I'm going to be using 2 of these 16-shot cakes by Dominator Fireworks called Rowdy Rampage. It's going to take every single one of these mini fireworks to create the world's smallest firework display. Well guys, I had to interrupt the time lapse for a moment because this guy came to visit me out here at the gravel pit. Well, that's gonna do it for my finale board. It did get a little bit tedious down in here and over here, but other than that, this took about 15 minutes to fuse together. We are almost ready to rock. Once the sun goes down, we are going to light off the world's smallest fireworks show. In 3, 2, 1. Here we go. I forgot to turn the GoPro on. Okay, we're backing up. Backing up. Still backing up. Look at the spread on this thing already. Oh boy. This would be that Whistling Kitty Chaser. Whoa! Rapid fire all of a sudden. Oh no, it went out of focus. Sorry guys. Hopefully it wasn't out of focus for too long. Okay, I think we're getting into the finale here. This is definitely the finale. Yep, here we go. Well, maybe not. Oh yeah. I can't believe this thing is working. Wow. Well, as you can see, everything went off, and that, ladies and gentlemen, was the world's smallest fireworks show. Okay, we're backing up. Backing up. Still backing up. Look at the spread on this thing already. Oh boy. This would be that whistling kitty chaser. Whoa! Rapid fire all of a sudden. Oh no, it went out of focus. Sorry guys. Hopefully it wasn't out of focus for too long. Okay, I think we're getting into the finale here. This is definitely the finale. Yep, here we go. Well, maybe not. Oh yeah. I can't believe this thing is working.